This video tutorial walks you through how to build and customize a slideshow section titled RI Slideshow 5. Whether you're creating a banner, highlighting products, or showcasing promotions, this guide helps you create a clean, responsive, and visually appealing slideshow. You'll start by adding a section and naming it RI Slideshow 5, helping maintain an organized structure in your layout. Then, you'll add individual blocks, each representing a slide where you can insert images and text content that align with your brand's messaging. The video demonstrates how to upload and assign images to each block. It emphasizes choosing high-quality visuals that display well on both desktop and mobile devices. These images set the tone and draw attention, making them a vital part of your design. You'll also get a walkthrough on replacing or updating images with ease whenever needed. You'll then learn how to set the container's maximum width, ensuring your slideshow remains responsive across all screen sizes. Content positioning, left, right, or center, is covered to help align your visuals and text for balance, clarity, and a refined look. This ensures that your content always stays within the user's focus area. Typography is another key focus. The tutorial explains how to add headings and adjust font size, spacing, padding, and alignment. You'll also see how to style body text for readability, using the right size, line height, and alignment to match your overall aesthetic. These details work together to create a smooth visual experience. Next comes color customization. You'll learn how to set background, heading, text, and link colors that work cohesively with your brand. A unified color scheme makes your slideshow more attractive and consistent with your website's identity. The video encourages experimenting with contrast to make key messages stand out clearly. The tutorial also goes over padding, how to adjust the space around elements both vertically and horizontally. This allows you to fine-tune the layout and avoid overcrowding or excessive white space. Proper spacing helps your content breathe and adds a layer of sophistication to the final design. Throughout the video, you're encouraged to preview your slideshow on different screen sizes to ensure everything, from text to images, looks polished, centered, and responsive. Visual consistency across devices builds trust and delivers a better user experience. As the tutorial wraps up, it highlights how RI Slideshow 5 is flexible enough for a range of uses, be it product highlights, seasonal banners, homepage visuals, or promotional storytelling. Both beginners and experienced users will find the customization tools intuitive and powerful, enabling fast yet impactful design. In summary, this tutorial gives you the confidence to create an engaging slideshow with professional-level design control. With the right visuals, thoughtful spacing, and consistent styling, RI Slideshow 5 can elevate your site's presentation, enhance your storytelling, and captivate your audience from the very first slide.